Hey guys, Ryan from Spyker Workshop, and I wanted to just make a quick video on some controls that I've done. So that circuit board that I was working on for this, I kind of paused it and I'm not going to get back to it for a while. So in the meantime, I sell these 9X radios that I've been selling with my snowcats and stuff, and I just made a profile that will work with the Traxxas vehicles. This will work with either the Summit or any of the TRX models. And just a quick overview of the controls, because they're a little different than the snowcats. So here's your throttle, and then steering is on this one. And then your snowblower controls. This is your throttle of the snowblower. This is the on and off switch for the snowblower. And then it's tied into this switch, which is lifting the snowblower up and down. And then this is also lifting it up and down. So you use this stick to set the height of the snowblower, and then you use this to raise it back up, and then hit that down, and it'll return back to the position that this stick is set in. And then to turn on the motor, you flick that up and then set the throttle of it. And also, when you idle up, or when you lift the blower up with this switch, it idles the RPMs down. But you can also just turn the blower off, too. And then for the diff controls and the transmission in here, so this three-way switch is the transmission now. So that's low gear and high gear. And then over here, these two switches are your differentials. So you can actually have independent differential control with this radio. So that's the front diff locks and then the rear diff locks. And then also, if you set up your endpoints correctly, you can actually shift the truck into neutral, which you couldn't do with the other radio either. So you can actually have it freewheel. To do some of the settings, I won't go through too many of them, but you hold the minus button for a second, and then you enter and enter to get into the menu. And then down on limits here, this is where you can adjust all your endpoints, like the travels, and then if it's reversed or not. So like this switch here, you can see these lines here. These are channels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I change this, you can see this little bar is moving there. So this is channel 6. So then if I go back into the limits, you can see down here on channel 6 is where you'd actually adjust the endpoints for the transmission among other channels and stuff. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the basics of it. If you ordered a radio after this video, it will include this profile, but all my other previous radios that I've sold don't have this profile in it. You can email me about if you want to have me send you the settings and stuff for it. And then if you order this from me, you'll also get a little sheet that shows what channels to hook up to on the receiver. And yeah, thanks for watching.